How to create an electronics e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website using this platform, which is weebly.com. So this is the main page of our platform. We need to sign up in the platform. If you already have an account, just click on login. I'm going to sign up for a new account. So this is pretty easy for everyone. It will just show some informations that we need to fill, as you can see, and then we click on continue. So I'm going to fill this information and I'm going to get back with you. After the sign up, we answer this question: what kind of website would you like to create? So here we have two options: if you want to create a website or an online store. So I'm going to go with the online store, which is the second option, and here we need to give a name to our store. So you can change this later, so just give it something just to fill this place. So let's go with electronics, which is the name of our niche. Then we click on continue. If we need also to select one of these options, I'm going with no, I'm not selling yet. Also answer one of these, not sure. Then what type of items will you be selling online? So I'm going to see if I can find something about electronics, tech products. So I think that's electronics. Then let's go with continue. So here we will need, if you have an address for your store, you just type it here. If not, you just skip this step and you wait for them to build your store. Just give it a few seconds and it will be ready right now. As you can see, this is the dashboard, our dashboard, and here in your left you can see we have a lot of sections that I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you. So starting with the overview, as you can see, it's where you can see all of these items. You can also edit your site from this button. I'm going to show you that in a bit. I'm just going to start with showing you these sections. So let's start with website, and it's basically where we can also edit our site or set up our domains. Then we have items, and it's where you have the site items, the site categories. As you can see, click on site categories and you will be able to see the categories that you have on your store. And if you want to create new categories in the store, as you can see, we have no categories for now. If you want to add new categories, you can do that in this button. Also, the same thing with the site items. If you want to create a new item or import items from other sites like the CG dropship website, which is very famous for dropshippers, or something like that. Then we have the options, and also the same with the other ones. If you want to add new options, you do that in this button. So just click on add options and you will be able to create your new options, option set. As you can see, you can type in by the size or the color. You can choose if you want it to be drop down or radius, or it's colors and the design you want. And then we have the coupons, and it's very obvious if you want to create coupons for your customers, or if you have some influencers that does marketing for you or something like that. Then we have the gift cards. Also, if you want to create gift cards, and we have the customer reviews, as you can see, and the item preferences. Then we have the orders. It's where you can see your orders. So as you can see, we have no orders for now. And also we have the fulfillment section, where you can set the pickup, the shipping, and everything related to the fulfillment. Then we have the reports. It's where you can see the summary, sites traffic. So let's go through each one of them, starting with the summary. As you can see, the site's traffic, the site's activity, sources, and the online sales, basically everything related to the reports. Then we have the marketing section, and as you all know from the name, it's everything related to growing your audience, from ads to the emails to the mailing lists to the segments and stuff like that. So here we have the summary of your AdSense, but for now we don't have that page because it's empty. Then we have the email. Also, the page is not found, so we can't see the marketing section without upgrading our plan. As you can see from the free version, or the free trial which you are using now, to the paid one. Then we have the communications section. It's where you can see the email and text alerts, the pop-ups and the messenger, the abandoned carts also. And last but not least, we have the settings. It's where you have your general settings, where you have your information and the checkout settings, sales taxes, and the last one I'm going to show it for you right now. Just give it a few seconds to check the general settings. As you can see, we can change everything about our website in here, from the company name to the address to the stuff like that. Then we have the checkout settings and the sales taxes and the units also. So let's go back to the overview or the website to go to the editing phase. So just click on edit site and it will take you to where you can design your website. Just give it a few seconds. So this is where you can build your website or your online store. So just go with this guide, keep clicking on what's next and ignore it. So here, as you can see, you can change the header, the main banner, you can change the styles, so you can change pretty much everything about your design or your website. So here you just click on show styles and you will be able to change the styles of your website, and also you can just hide it from here. And if you want to go back to the dashboard, you just click on back to dashboard and you will be back to the home page, as you can see. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.